hold the course ẹ báyìí o. Adabasioni want to break the table. Listen to me everybody. Ẹ wá wo nǹkan tí Ologundudu dálẹ̀ báyìí. Ẹ máa wo final judgement tèmi báyìí o. Final judgement mi lórí gbogbo èyí tí Agbala Gabriel tó kọ́lé fún. My final judgement lórí gbogbo èyí tí Agbala Gabriel tó kọ́lé fún tí ó help. Mo ṣe ń bọ̀ lórí judgement yẹn. Daddy Ologundudu, can you see yourself? Daddy Ologundudu, can you see you are a useless father among good father? Ẹ̀dí lójú ti àwọn ọmọ tó tara yín jáde báyìí nípa ìwà burúkú tẹ̀ ń wù yìí. Ìwà orí burúkú tẹ̀ ń wù tó lórí burúkú yìí fi sá lọ sílùú òyìnbó tí ẹ lè wá sí Nàìjíríà mọ́. Tẹ́ ẹ máa padà ẹ máa kéwì wèrè tẹ́ ẹ máa fi ewì wèrè bá ìlú Nàìjíríà jẹ́ fáwọn Nigerians. Ologundudu ìjọba kìíní kan olórí burúkú ẹ máa dá wàhálà lẹ̀ wá máa sá lọ. Ó ṣe kọ́ ewì ẹ ní Nàìjíríà kó dúró sí Nàìjíríà. Wàá fi ọ̀rọ̀ ewì wèrè ẹ wàá fi dá wàhálà lẹ̀ láàrin àwọn òṣèlú Nàìjíríà àtàwọn Nigerians. Rome was not built in a day. That UK, America you people were running to, it was not built in a day. And nítorí pé àwọn ará ìlú bẹ̀ wọ́n support àwọn òṣèlú bẹ̀ òun lè kí ìlú wọn kó nítumọ̀ kó lógo nínú. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ ọmọ Nàìjíríà ṣé olórí burúkú tẹ́ ẹ ṣe ìwọ olórí burúkú tẹ́ ẹ wù yìí ṣó lè jẹ́ kí development kó dé bá Nàìjíríà? Ologundudu from the day one tí mo mú ẹ àfi kó máa fi ọ̀rọ̀ burúkú ọ̀rọ̀ àtàǹfàǹchà kó máa fi dá wàhálà lẹ̀ láàrin àwọn òṣèlú Nàìjíríà àti Nigerians. Olórí burúkú ni yín sà. Olórí burúkú ẹni tó ń gbéṣẹ́ pè ní yín bàbá. Ẹ bọ́ síta èmi ò tiẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ẹ ti ń ṣiṣẹ́ ọ̀fẹ́ ẹ ti ń ṣiṣẹ́ tí ò ní tùǹgbà tíṣẹ́ yóò pé yín mọ́. èèyàn ò lè tájà erùpẹ̀ kó má gbowó òkúta. Iṣẹ́ yín ò yà bí àrékèrèkè it can never go for long. Ó máa padà bring gum down lọ́jọ́ kan ni. Can you see now that your orí burúkú is not fetching you money again? Now you are doing record freely to those that didn't send you message. Ẹ̀rípẹ̀ ti ya wèrè. Bàbá Ologundudu ẹ̀rípẹ̀ ní àrùn ọpọlọ. Now you can't produce any of Baba Suebebe family that asks you to go and do the video. You can't produce them. Instead you are saying rubbish. Ẹ̀rípẹ̀ ti wọ wèrè nínú àwọn ọkùnrin láyé. Àgbàyà níyàn àgbà òfò. Àgbà jati. Please, I'm still coming to that. Mommy, please. Follow my program accordingly. Don't push me. Baba Ologundudu àgbàyà àgbà òfò níyín. Baba Ologundudu mo fẹ́ bi léèrè béèrè kan. Mélòó nínú àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà ló ti ara yín ṣoríire? Oore wo Baba Ologundudu oore wo èèyàn mélòó lẹ lè tọ́ka sí pé ó ti tara yín dìde ẹ ṣàánú ẹ ó nídìí iṣẹ́ ẹ fún níṣẹ́ àbódìdí owó ẹ fún lówó àbódìdí àti kọ́ ó ní ó fẹ́ gba ilé ẹ fún wọn nílé. Baba Ologundudu èèyàn mélòó lẹ ti ṣerú ẹ fún? Ẹ ní àkọsílẹ̀ tó dára àfi ìwà àbàjẹ́ ìwà dalérú àgbà òṣì níyín àgbà òfò àgbà tí ò tó lé. Báwo ni ran ayé àwọn ọmọ yín ṣe fẹ́ rí pẹ̀lú wà owó ọyẹ yìí? Ẹ wá ń pariwo Agbala Gabriel àwọn ọmọ bàbá Suebebe ń bèrè ogún wa olórí ibú ara yín. Èwo nínú àwọn bàbá Suebebe tó wá bá yín wípé o dádì o dákun ẹ gbà wá o lọ́wọ́ Agbala Gabriel èwo ló mú ọjọ́ wá bá yín? Ẹ kọjọ́ ìyá àgbà òfò. You have no good foundation. You are a useless father. You are a useless fellow. If not, you are a useless man. How will you leave your Nigeria and go to another people's country to be blackmail blackmail your country? Ajoni dududu korinde marele. You are still coming to Nigeria at the airport. Lomade gba ẹsẹ̀ wọn. So lórí ẹ ti dàrú ni. Kí ni èrò yín lórí Agbala Gabriel? Kí lẹni ẹlẹ́ni ṣe fún yín ná? Ẹ̀yin ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ kékeré tó ṣoríire ni. Àbọ̀ ló bà ti yín jẹ́ káyé yín má dá. Agbala Gabriel ló bà ti yín jẹ́ ni. Ẹ̀yin àgbà òfò yìí àgbà wèrè àgbà ọ̀sìnwín. Ologundudu, my name is Adabasioni. I will be coming out for you back to back. Tó bá bí yín re ẹnu ṣe fídíò lórí burúkú kan bẹ̀ yẹn. Ẹ rí pé fídíò yín ò tà mọ́. Ẹ ṣoríire ní di fídíò yín mọ́. ó wá kú ká máa fi blackmail àwọn èèyàn kiri lẹ̀ àgbà òṣì àgbà játijàti. Now Ologundudu di kọ́ ṣe báyìí o. Adabasioni want to break the table. Listen to me everybody. Gbogbo ẹni tí Agbala Gabriel tó kọ́lé fún nínú ọgbà tí ẹ bá ti kú, nobody is entitled to that house, to that property. The property is belong to the church. Take it or you leave it. Adabasioni is breaking the table from now. I'm breaking that table from now. Gbogbo ẹni tí Agbala Gabriel kọ́lé fún, you are not entitled to that house in that Agbala Gabriel territory. The property belongs to the church because Agbala Gabriel fans contributed the money that was used to build that house. Where are your family that contribute the money? Do any of your family contributed any money for Agbala Gabriel to build a house for you? Agbala Gabriel fans, the people that Agbala Gabriel were praying for, àwọn ni wọ́n support àti wọ́n send owó sí Agbala Gabriel wípé àwọn ènìyàn nídìí ìrànlọ́wọ́ o nǹkan kan tẹ́ bá wá sí ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì Agbala Gabriel ṣáà lè máa sùn sínú ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì. Òun ló fi àwọn tọ́lọ́run yàn tí ló fi sọ lọ́lọ́run ṣe gẹ́gẹ́ bí olùrànlọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ láti máa help àwọn èèyàn tó bá wá sínú Agbala Gabriel. So ẹ wá fẹ́ máa jáde nínú Agbala Gabriel kẹ́ máa kó lọ. No room for that. Now I'm passing this to everybody, every one of you. You cannot expect Agbala Gabriel to help your father or help your mother and still helping you children after the death of your father or your mother. Are you crazy? Do Agbala Gabriel your father? Do Agbala Gabriel your mother? Do Agbala Gabriel your father or do Agbala Gabriel your mother? You are not capable enough to take care of your family. Agbala Gabriel will help you people to take care of your family. At the end of the day, you will be asking him for ilé tí wọ́n kọ́ fún yín dà, ilé tí wọ́n kọ́ fún yín wọ́ wòlé ní. Bàbá àti ìyá yín tó ti fi àárọ̀ ọ̀sán alẹ́ wọn ti ṣorí burúkú, tẹ̀yìn ọmọ náà ṣorí burúkú tí ẹ lè support àwọn òbí yín. Èèyàn wá help yín, ó support àwọn òbí yín kọ́ bàbá kú sínú òṣì. Ẹ tún wọ́n fi máa disturb ẹ̀ after your father died or your mother died. Nobody is entitled to any house in Agbala Gabriel territory. Take it or you leave it. Olórí burúkú lẹ́yìn tẹ́ bá wá tẹ́ bá ṣerú ẹ̀. You came to Agbala Gabriel without nothing. You came there for help. And that house that Agbala Gabriel is building the house for his people. For his people, for his member. Let us assume you go to Agbala Gabriel church now. You don't have anywhere to sleep. You can go to that house and sleep. Even Muideen, that stupid Muideen, he has nothing. He has nothing to gain from that Agbala Gabriel territory because he came there without nothing except his charger. Order his charger, and they have packed the charger even more than what Muideen bring to that compound. The people of Muideen, they packed more than what Muideen bring to that compound. That is stealing by trick. You people were stealing by trick. Take it or you leave it. Muideen, he has nothing to be taken away from that Agbala Gabriel territory. Likewise, àwọn ọmọ bàbá Suebebe. Ẹ lọ wá ṣe. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ ìyá akíndìkan ọmọ aláìlé. Ẹ lọ wá ṣe. Ṣé Agbala Gabriel fẹ́ kọ́lé tí ẹ̀ fẹ́ jogún fún yín ni? Abẹ́ wọ́ wèrè. Ṣé Agbala Gabriel ló fẹ́ kọ́ ilé tí ẹ̀ fẹ́ jogún? Ó fẹ́ kọ́ fún yín. Agbala Gabriel kọ́ ilé yẹn nítorí káwọn ìyá yín má bàa sùn kiri ni. Agbala Gabriel kọ́ ilé yẹn nítorí káwọn ìyá yín má kú sínú òṣì, kọ́ má kú sínú ìṣẹ́. Kọ́ bá lè wà lábẹ́ good roof. Ìyá yín kú tán, bàbá yín kú tán, ẹ wá fẹ́ máa disturb bàbá Agbala Gabriel. Every houses that was built in Agbala Gabriel compound territory belong to the church, not anybody. If you have a family that can contribute that money for you to build a house, go and call that family. Come online, tell your dad let the family contributed the money for you. if you have a good family, why can't your family build a house for you before going to Agbala Gabriel church? Anybody tí Agbala Gabriel kọ́lé fún nínú gbẹ̀yẹn ó fi bò yín lórí kẹ́ má bàa kú sínú òṣì sínú ìṣẹ́ ni tẹ́ bá dẹ̀ ní kú case close lógún kankan bẹ́ẹ̀ táwọn ọmọ yín bá fẹ́ jogún kọ́ lọ ṣiṣẹ́ tó bá fi jogún àbí ẹ̀rí pé lórí burúkú tẹ̀lẹ̀ yín èèyàn àfi bí sólóore níyìn ni àfi bí sólóore lẹ̀ máa lẹ̀yìn ẹ̀dá o. Anyway ibẹ̀ yẹn kọ́ ni mo ní kó ń bẹ̀ yẹn nìyẹn. Every houses that was built in Agbala Gabriel for anybody belong to the church. None of your family contributed any money for that house. Do any of your family contributed nail? Do any of your family contributed slate? No. Do they contribute cement? No. Even do they do any labor there? No. And you are here, you want to reap where you did not sow. And you lady Ologundudu, you are very stupid man. So Agbala Gabriel has given the house document to the family of Baba Suebebe since Ologundudu just messing up. Even nobody. Okay, now listen. If Agbala Gabriel give the property to the family of Suebebe, it will later cause problem for Agbala Gabriel, because at the end of the day, the family that they don't know how to work, at least at the end of the day, they wanted to sell it. At the end of the day, they wanted to sell the house. Can they sell the house in the premises of church? Can they sell it to Muslims? Or can they sell it to native doctor? Any house that was built in that compound is for help. Agbala Gabriel will go. The church will everly be there. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká bà oore jẹ́ fólóore. Ìyẹn kò ń bẹ̀.